Hey guys, lots of love to you. I'm going to draw a love heart starting with a simple lid that I found, which is circle. And you trace halfway around the circle, put the circle down again, the lid down again so it lines up with the top, trace around that part. Now you could use a ruler for this, but I'm going to put a dot directly underneath there, how high I want it. And then I'm going to sketch a curved line. Notice how I'm using my right-handed. I'm right-handed like that. And I'm going to turn the page around and do the same because the natural motion of your wrist is like that. So if you're a left-handed, you just do it the other way around. And now you can see I've got that nice curved line there. And here, when I spin it back around the right way, we have a pretty good love heart. If we wanted to put a word on there, we can do a little banner. So let's do a little banner, like a line like so, and then another line like so. Now to make it look like it's going around behind, what we can do is we can just bring that around like this, and we're going to do the same on the other side, like this. Just bring it out a little bit so it looks like that ribbon and the love heart goes around. Once you've got the ribbon, you might want to put some ribbon coming out from the bottom like this. Make sure it's similar width to that. There's a little ribbon. And now this one's going to come around and come out the top. So let's bring that around like so. You can write the word I love you on here. You could even put some cute little characters on there. I'll leave that up to you. I'm going to write the word I love you with my new Copic calligraphy marker. I'm going to start with the I. And then the love will be here. And you could do some linked writing, and then a U. I love you.